Okay, this is our last morning out at the Sea of Cortez in my cabin on our catamaran, looking out the window where we're at. We were anchored here last night. Beautiful spot. We got this little bathroom, shower, hallway. There's another room there up the stairs. And here's where we're hanging out. Cooking dinner, breakfast, lunch. We just had breakfast. And up here is another spot. We've had some food, barbecuer. And here we are in the Sea of Cortez. It's a beautiful beach over there. Hey, Summer. Say hi.
Hello.
It's a 45-foot lagoon sailboat. Got our anchor still set. You can see it all the way to the bottom, probably 20 feet deep. Anchor chain. Got 4 cabins on board. Here's the captain's station up top here. Like, there comes the captain and co-captain right here. The paddleboard. Another yacht joined us last night. All right, Tara and Frank. Gonna get wet?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Beautiful day, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're gonna swim over to this circle spot.
Yep, there's a nice little circle spot we went to last night. But today the water looks much more clear. Woo! There goes Tara and Frank.
You start your watch? How was it? Awesome. We're gonna go look at it again.
You want the kayak or you can swim?
Oh no, we'll swim.
Look at them.
Was it good on the kayak over there? Lots of fish over there?
We're done. Kayak?
Summer wants to go walk on the beach, maybe.
What?
Summer was talking about walking on the beach. But we could do that too. Depends how much time we have. All right. We're going to go to that beach and or snorkel. This is a really good spot right here around this rock.